Today, we're diving into a major revolution happening in dentistry. And believe me, it's about way more than just digital charts. We're going to explore how smart AI-driven platforms are totally reinventing the modern practice, from the front desk to the clinical op. So let's get into it.
So let me ask you this. Is your practice software actually working for you, or does it feel more like you're working for it? It's a simple question, right? But it hits home for a lot of people. So many dental pros feel like they're just bogged down by their tech, juggling a half dozen programs, hunting for information, just fighting with inefficiency all day. Sound familiar? Yeah, it's a huge frustration, and it's the exact problem we're going to unpack and solve today.
Okay, so before we jump into the shiny new solution, let's get real about the problem. The modern dental practice is facing some really unique challenges, and honestly, they're often caused by the very technology that was supposed to make life easier. We're talking about the bottlenecks that just grind things to a halt, hurt your bottom line, and create a ton of stress.
Does any of this stuff hit a little too close to home? You've got systems that just won't talk to each other, so you're always clicking around, hunting for data. You've got patients who just don't show up, leaving these huge, costly gaps in your schedule. And then there's that constant nagging worry in the back of your mind. Did I miss something on that x-ray? Plus, trying to communicate with patients often feels like you're stuck in the dark ages. These are the daily headaches that this new tech is built to get rid of, for good.
So what's the fix? Well, it's all about a totally new generation of electronic health record technology. In this explainer, we're going to use the MedTec.ai platform as our main example to see how these kinds of all-in-one AI-powered systems are designed to just crush those bottlenecks we just talked about. To really get a handle on the impact here, we're going to walk through 5 huge transformations. We'll cover everything from charting and scheduling, all the way to security and what the patient actually experiences. This will give us a super clear picture of how pretty much every single part of the practice gets a massive upgrade.
First up, and this is a big one, time. Just think about it. Practices that use this kind of integrated AI are seeing a 50 to 65% drop in the time they spend on charting and documentation. I mean, what would you do with that extra time? It means more focus on patient care and way less time staring at a screen after everyone else has gone home. So how on earth is that even possible? Well, it all comes down to some seriously smart, purpose-built tools. Imagine a live 3D chart that updates itself instantly as you work, or doing a full perio chart completely hands-free, just by using your voice. And get this, one-click imports for all your imaging, scans, CBCTs, you name it. The nightmare of managing all those separate files, it's just gone. All right, next up, let's talk about a major revenue killer, no-shows. This is where predictive AI really starts to feel like magic. We are talking about an absolutely massive 50 to 70% reduction in patient no-shows. And that's not just a nice little convenience, that's directly protecting the financial health of your entire practice. And the way it pulls this off is pretty cool. First, the AI actually predicts which appointments are a high risk for a no-show, so your team can reach out ahead of time. Then, it sends out smart, automated reminders that people actually pay attention to. And here's the real game changer. If someone does cancel, the system automatically goes to work to fill that empty slot from a waitlist. No more scrambling.
Okay, now let's look at the direct impact on patient care. By making diagnoses more confident and treatment plans way easier to understand, practices are seeing their case acceptance rates literally jump by 30 to 45%. That's a huge deal. It means more patients are actually getting the treatment they need.
And this happens because the AI is basically your digital co-pilot. It acts as a second set of eyes, automatically scanning images for things like caries and bone loss. It can silently flag untreated periodontal disease that might have slipped through the cracks. And it helps you build custom treatment plans that take both the clinical needs and the patient's insurance into account, which just removes a huge barrier to them saying yes.
Now, with all this important data living in one place, you might be wondering, what about security? It's gotta be absolutely rock solid, right? Well, this technology is built on a concept called zero trust architecture. It sounds complicated, but the idea is simple, really. The system basically trusts nothing